Hey guys, welcome to a very happy and yet very sad day here at the Fast Lane Car because our cheap Jeep is moving along and this is the gentleman who bought it. Russell, how you doing?
We are going to sell a Jeep.
All right.
And we're going to raise some money for a great cause. And sitting next to me is Matt Ratter, who is, what's your job title?
So I'm the president of Colorado 4x4 Rescue and Recovery.
We're sold.
We're sold!
Nice.
To RB 1948 at 11,250.
And thank you guys for everything that you do. So, Zach, I am really bad at math. What is half of that?
5625.
5, 6, yeah.
5625. So, guys, you know, I'm thrilled to do 5625.
Hey, nice to meet you, Tommy.
Hey, thank you, appreciate it. So,
And everybody out there.
yeah, and all of our viewers out there. So you guys came down from, let's have you introduce yourself too, I'm sorry.
Oh, Renee Rollins.
Renee Rollins, okay, so you guys came down here from Arizona.
Yep, flew in today from Arizona.
Wow, what a story. And you guys are heading out today all the way back, right?
Yeah.
That's got to be
All
quite
the
the
way.
trip.
We're gonna beat the storm out of here, but
Hopefully.
hopefully beat the storm out of here.
Well, let's just jump to the chase and let's show you your new baby because I
All
think
right.
you're really going to be happy with her.
Okay, let's go.
Follow me.
I'll tell you why I'm excited, because behind that door is our brand new cheap Jeep, and we're going to introduce it in this video.
And we've done a whole bunch of really fun things with this little Jeep Wrangler TJ SE, but now it's time to pass it on. Have you seen the videos before? Do you know?
I have, yeah,
the
I've
story
seen all your
behind this?
videos.
Every one of them.
Every one, wow. Well, here she is.
Wow. It's like brand new. Did you paint it?
We didn't paint it, no.
That
It looks
is
like brand new paint.
No, we got it all detailed up for you. Yeah, so here's our cheap Jeep. Our,
Wow, that thing really looks nice.
Thank you, I appreciate
Very
it.
nice.
So, what drew you to this Jeep? Why do you want to get back into off-roading?
Well, I had a Razor and I sold it about 4 years ago,
Okay.
and I just want to get back into the dirt, and that's the reason.
Gotcha. Well, here it is. So, like we said, it's an 02 Wrangler. It's got the little bit of a lift and the new tires, and it's going to be quite the trip back. I mean, it's going to be a real adventure. Are you guys hoping to stop along the way and kind of?
We're gonna stop in
Santa Fe.
Santa Fe,
Yeah, I
spend the
love
night
Santa
there. And
Okay.
That'd be about 6 hours down the road or so,
Yep. It's true.
and then the other 6 into Phoenix.
It's
So,
gonna be great. So, what are you
Yeah.
planning on using this for when you
Race
get it
the
home?
storm.
I'm just gonna do. I'm not gonna do rock crawling, that kind of stuff with it. I'm just gonna go. If I go buy a Razor and again, you know, and I don't have a truck now, then I have to go buy a truck, and there you are, you know. So this thing here, you just drive it and go off road and get out in the wilderness, and Arizona's got a lot of nice trails. And is this where the gerbils are?
Yeah, this is where all of them live. All
There's
four.
two
of
and a
them.
half gerbils in here.
There you go. So it's our little 2.5 liter, and you know, I promise you, you're not gonna be the fastest thing up the mountain, but it's been dead reliable. And it's been, we think, pretty well maintained. So it's got good air conditioning, which I'm sure you'll need in a few months here. And as you can see, it's pretty clean.
Yeah. So you say you got a new battery in it? huh?
Yeah, we got a newer battery in it, so that should be good to go. And you know, it's just a really happy little Jeep.
Yeah. Looks great.
yeah.
Very clean. Very clean.
Very clean. You know, the thing about these, especially here in Colorado, is, you know, they get eaten up so easily. You know, the road salt just tears into the front of them and just really eats them up. So this is a clean example.
Yeah.
and-
When you got this thing in California, and you looked at it and you said there's not any rust on it at all, and you know that's a big deal.
it's a really
So,
big deal.
That's a good
Yeah.
selling point.
Good.
Yeah.
Dude, all right. You just sold yourself a Jeep, and I bought myself a new TJ. I am so excited. The main stuff. The engine seems strong, the transmission seems good, the body is certainly in great shape.
And so you can see, you know, we got the funny red tow hooks on there. Those are just a few bolts. And so my dad and I did the bumpers, and as you can see, it's not exactly a professional job. That was kind of a father-son just trying to get it to look better.
Yep.
And I think it does look pretty good overall.
So to make this Jeep pop, Tommy, you know this, you don't need a lot of money. All you need is a $6 spray can.
This is not a high-quality operation we got going on here.
Looks a lot better, don't you think? Check it out.
Much better. And I'll show you the inside. I think you'll find it's actually surprisingly comfortable. I mean, these have kind of a reputation for being bouncy, you know, the older Jeeps. But this one with the new suspension kind of just soaks it all up with ease. And if you do hit snow, you know, you got your new tires and four-wheel drive.
Yeah.
So TerraFlex makes a couple of different lift kits for TJs.
Yep.
But this lift includes new springs, new shocks, and some mounting hardware, bump stop extensions. This won't cut it in Moab, so it's time to bring in the new rubber. Here it comes! Bam, look at this bad boy. This is a BF Goodrich all-terrain tire. It's called a KO2. Once again, it's also pretty original, ready to go. So the seat's in fairly good condition, and if you're gonna be using it, you know, off-road, it's exactly what you're looking for, I think.
Yep, it's perfect.
And the good news is you know, we got the one with the hard top too, so you can go through all sorts of cold weather and not worry about the soft top blowing around.
It's great. Nice job. You guys did a great job.
Well, we couldn't have done it without, you know, you guys for watching and then you guys for picking her up. Yeah, 50% are going to those 4x4 rescue guys. I mean, they serve our community, so we certainly couldn't just let that go. But I wish I could tell you there's something to be careful about, you know, little niggles here and there, but it's pretty sorted. You know, just start her up and head down the road, I think.
Yeah.
But you know, it's got a little trunk here. Just get you around, and then this folds up. So if you wanted to really, whoa! Look at all those Cheerios. Wow,
It looks like somebody had a party in here.
I have never actually folded that seat. Well, I'll get a vacuum out.
Cheerios! Whoa.
I have never done that since we've owned that. So
It's fine. I can take care of it.
yeah, sorry
No
about
problem.
that. Bumper. It does have a hitch if you want to carry bicycles or something. I don't imagine it would tow a lot. And our goal with this one was, you know, we wanted to make it a little bit more off-road worthy with the bigger tires, but we didn't want to, you know, sacrifice the on-road performance too much. Because with the four-cylinder, sometimes they can bog down if you put too big of a tire.
Mm-hmm.
So I think this is like a 31 inch tire, and it's big enough to where you can, you know, take it off-road and not worry about it, but not so big where you're gonna be struggling too much up some of the hills. Yeah, this was really a kind of a labor of love.
Yeah.
Love for us. So, you know, on these YouTube videos, it looks like we're doing it as part of a company, but this is my dad and I kind of just out there figuring it out.
That's so great.
You don't seem very excited, Tommy.
No, I'm stoked. Ooh,
Yeah?
this key is bent.
I think we'll use the other one.
Oh, like a Cadillac. Oh, nope. Nope, that is not like a Cadillac.
I'm floored. I can't get out of the way of this Prius.
Wow.
Oh, I do miss California, Tommy.
Yeah, me too.
So then you're gonna look forward to spray painting all this, huh?
Seems like a bad idea.
Let's put this under there.
What about the nails sticking through it?
They're only over there.
Yeah, so it's a good little Jeep, and it sounds like it's going to a place where it'll be warm.
Yeah.
Maybe too hot
It'll be
sometimes.
happy.
It'll be a little
It'll be hot.
but it will never get rusty.
These are
Four by
These are the
four.
rescue guys?
yeah, they made us
4x4
special ones just for this project. So
Yeah.
they've never made a gray one, and they said they'll make
Oh,
us some
cool.
gray ones. So
Hold
they
it up.
Cool. Thank you very much.
yeah, you're welcome. And then I got you this guy, Russell.
Very
A
nice.
TFL truck hat. A little momentum. Yeah, there you go. Now you're
go,
part
man.
of the team. And let me show you the keys, actually. I'll grab you the keys as well here. I've got this one, which is a copy, and that's the one we've been using. And then I've got the original Jeep
original.
key, too.
All right.
So, and you can see somehow they bent it a little bit, but it works like it should.
I can fix that.
There you go. Yeah, and
Thank
then,
you.
Yep. Well, thank you for this. I really appreciate it. And you got the title, and I'll pull it out of here, and we'll get you guys
We're ready to go.
on your way.
Say hi to your dad.
I will. Yeah,
Yeah,
he was
say hi to
really.
your dad.
He was
Yeah.
so sad he couldn't
Yeah.
have been here. He had to go on another
Oh, well.
press trip.
So
Some other time.
For sure,
Yeah.
some other time.
Yeah.
So there's the original manual, and it's got all the fun stuff if you want to
Good.
play with that.
Thank you.
Well, this has been awesome. This has been
It's been great.
yeah, and I wish you guys a safe journey back.
Oh,
I mean, I think you guys will have a lot of fun with it. And do me a favor, when you get back, send us some pictures.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh,
that'd be great, and we'll put them up on the website. You're off to through New Mexico, right?
We'll go through New Mexico. We're gonna go to Santa Fe,
Santa Fe.
Okay.
Gallup, Holbrook, and then drop down into Mesa that way, Mesa, Arizona.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
That's gonna be so
On
much fun.
Highway 87. Yeah.
Well, I think the little guy is all fueled up, and you know, she's been really great to us. And
Oh, it's full of gas too.
yeah,
All right.
It is.
You guys are awesome.
yeah, and I
I
hope
thought
it's,
that would be the first stop. Uh-oh. Get gas.
well, guys, thank you for watching. As always,
Thank
Russ.
you. Thank you.
Great, thank you guys.
Okay. See you guys.
There goes the little cheap Jeep.
Challenge.
How was the first 100 meters?
First 100 meters was great.
Good. I'm glad you're 100 meters in. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. Safe journey.